But shortly after, and again, I think, at this age, I'm 18, 19, 20, 21 years old. Oftentimes at that age, your thoughts change in terms of where you think your life, where you'd like to take your life. And for me, I had clarity at a very early age. So my efforts were all focused on, okay, I'm working for the store. I'm a young kid. I've got a lot of energy and I've got all this enthusiasm, but I lack experience. I don't have the financial resources. But in my early 20s, excuse me, at the age of 23, I put together enough of a financial backing and a business plan where I opened a retail store. And so I went in the business for myself with a specialty wine retail store at age 23. Sounds absurd. And in many ways, I think it probably was. In retrospect, it was a crazy risk. But through some twists of fate, it actually worked out well. And I had that business for nearly 20 years before I sold it.
Wow, that's a great success story. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.